welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen. Welcome. And if you're all but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reaper with coursing on foot. So besties, in today's video I am going to talk to you guys about my favorite perfume that I'm loving so much, and that is Born in Roma by Valentino. This perfume is so sexy, so feminine. I'm in love. Okay, I'm in love. I love it so much, and I'm going to show you guys. So besties, the perfume I'm talking about is this Valentino. Oh my god, the best. This perfume is sexy, feminine, elegant, and just like, ooh, I love it so much. And this is, what ml is this? I think this is 90. Oh yeah, this is 50 ml, and I, like you guys can see, I use it. So I love it so much. First time I went to the store, I sprayed this. I did not like it, but that's because I have been spraying so many perfume, so sometimes that can like throw you off a little bit. So anyways, and then I got this sort of like Scentbird subscription. So they sent me, not Scentbird, but I mean I'm from UK. So anyways, so they sent me the mini one. So I was just like, I forgot about it. One day I got it and the spray, I was like, oh, this perfume smells so nice. So I had to check, and I see they say Born in Rome. I said, okay, I got to have it. I need to buy it. So this is floral. Let me actually tell you guys about the notes. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So I'm going to leave the notes on the screen because sometimes I don't know how to say the names most of the time. So Born in Roma, top note is blackcurrant, accord, I think that's how you say it, bergamot essence. I love bergamot because it just makes things smell nice. I'm gonna put it on the screen because I'm probably saying this wrong. So the middle note is jasmine grandi, whatever, I can't say it, so I'm not even gonna try it. Okay, jasmine, and then you have jasmine sambac, absolute, and jasmine tea. And the base note is bourbon, vanilla, cashmere, and wood something essence. I'm gonna put them on the screen because these are very hard to say. Anyways, this smells floral, feminine. Oh, it smells so sexy. When I put this on, I feel like I'm on top of the world. I feel like the sexiest woman on this earth. I'm gonna spray it. Oh, it's so cute. It is so freaking sexy, amazing. So I would definitely say for you to have this in your collection, you would never regret it. And I don't recommend things that I wouldn't use. What I like, okay, I like feminine perfume, something that is not too sweet, something that is not too sour. I just like in the middle, this sexy, warm. So whenever I get into a place that you know that is Jen, that is there, I love it. I love this perfume. I would definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10. Okay, 10 out of 10. It smells nice and sexy, and it's my favorite perfume right now. It will forever be in my collection. Every time I finish, I'm gonna purchase because I really like the smell. I really love the smell. So I would definitely tell you to go and get it. So this is Born in Roma, my favorite perfume. If you want to smell feminine, sexy, and adorable, then definitely go for this perfume. You will never regret it. I love this perfume so much. It's my favorite. It's classic. It will never go out of style. You can wear it in summer, winter, fall, whatever. You can wear it. Like me with perfume, I wear my perfume wherever I feel like. I don't have this thing like, oh, it's winter, it's what. No, I wear what I like. So okay, I love it. This can go all the way around. You can do it for daytime, nighttime. It's amazing. I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, I just came here real quick to put you guys on. So yeah, besties, that's all for this video. If you do like it, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you guys want more of this kind of video where it's short and I just put you guys on and leave. Yeah, let me know what videos you guys would like to see, and yeah, leave them on comment section. Okay, share this video so that way somebody can see it, somebody that loves perfume. Okay, and thumbs up, but don't leave without subscribing, please. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all for being in here. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you all. Bye besties. Bye.